really portrayed well at your age. My question is that 5 years from now, what can you offer to your audience, like us? How can you improve your crafts? How do you like just see yourself? You know. Thank you.
First of all, ma'am, my English after 5 years.
It's so
I'm not
much
sure you
better.
that, ma'am. I promise that.
Would you say we're agreeing?
Yeah.
We're not hanging out. If you guys hang out in LA with me, I'll teach you English. We'll be teaching Tagalog. Salamat po yung kababayan. Hablo Español, pero Tagalog is muy difícil para mí.
Say, mahal kita.
Oh, I know that one's not bad. Mahal kita.
5 years from now, anong kaya namin ibahagi ba?
Kayo na ba?
May 5 years from now.
Baka. Baka. Pero sa pelikula, siguro mas matured. Yun lang muna. Matured. 5 years from now, ilang taon na rin kami. Siguro, mas madadagdagan pa yung genre na kaya namin i-play. Hindi lang rom-com. Hindi lang rom-fan. Siguro, masusubukan namin mag-action drama. O kaya, ano ba bang mga pwede natin gawin? Horror? Yeah. Di ba, ma'am? Oo. So, yun, mas matured pa. And, patuloy kami nag-aaral. Sa bawat ginagabatan namin, bawat nakakasama namin aktor, patuloy pa rin kami nag-aaral. Patuloy kami nagtatanong. Patuloy kami nanonood. Nakikinig. At hindi matatapos po yun hanggat gumaganap kami ng isang karakter. Hindi mo matatapos yun. So, siguro mas madadagdagan na kami ng kaalaman at mas kakayahan namin or makakakita kami ng